What's the deal? We blogging in the car. Happy Halloween!
I didn't know we was blogging.
All right, we need to say some quick stuff real fast before we bounce because I'm about to go to work, whatever the case may be. We need to talk about Kanye West. Kanye, I love you. I love you. Black skinheads for life. You understand what I'm saying? But you want to actually disrespect Michelle Obama with your girl? Let me tell you something. I understand she's your baby mother. She gave you a child. But I think you putting her too much high on the pedestal. Now, if they had... I'm still trying to get over the star thing. When you were saying how she need a star. Sweetie, if they have a whole row of stars for hoes, she could get one. But we can't do that, okay?
First of all, she didn't get in this industry for acting. She didn't get in this industry for singing. Not even for dancing. She got in this industry for fucking. So star and putting her in the same sentence as the first lady, come on, get over it.
Yes, we love you. Northwest is a beautiful girl. Yes, we love her.
Look at all the hoes in my pants.
Well, you came out. It's Halloween. You're a hoe. So the next thing is this love of hip hop. Lord have mercy. I don't know if it's scripted or whatever is going on, but I'm telling you right now, women have no loyalty amongst women. And that damn, what's his name? What is his name?
I don't know.
Peter fucking Guns.
Oh,
you're disgusting. You're disgusting. You're disgusting. What do you think about that piece of shit?
First of all, I thank you because you show us exactly how disrespectful men can really be. Not men, boys. Because a man will not carry on like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, seriously?
I think he was going through a midlife crisis, okay? And Miss Panky, you're disgusting too. You would get no love, no album sales, no records, nothing. You're nasty. You done messed up your career. You're finito. Off with a head!
I mean, listen. I understand every chick for theyself. But at the end of the day, when you stopping this man from getting his kids, that says a lot about your character. And so for that, you don't get no points.
No points at all. What else we going to talk about real fast before we bounce? Because it's quick, fast. We just wanted to give y'all a shout out. 2013 Halloween, Native American in the house. Want to give a shout out to my homegirl Tima for my braids. Thank you. Sister, you want to say anything for anybody else you want to talk about?
Peace. God is good.
God is good.